What's up guys, this is Sean from Seanboxing. Today I brought you the newest reissue of a Vans Sk8-Hi Deconstructed Black. For those of you who are new to the channel, I do reviews on the newest sneaker releases so you guys can have a look and decide whether you want to cop or not. Vans Sk8-Hi Deconstructed Black was first released in June last year as part of the Vault line, which is like a separate line by Vans showcasing the top tier products from the brand. It was pretty controversial back then because the design reminds of Off-White and people thought Vans was just ripping off Virgil Abloh. To be fair, the deconstructed notes and even the off the wall in quotation marks on the shoelaces definitely resemble other Virgil Abloh creations. Naturally, the resale price went up. The initial price was at $115 US, and now for a US 9, it's over $310. Last week, Vans reissued this product with some small changes, and the biggest one being the off-the-wall printing on the shoelaces. It's pretty obvious that the brand wanted to capitalize on this product, so they launched it again, but also didn't want to be more controversial amongst the hypebeasts, so they launched like a takedown version. Retail price on this one is at 95,000 Korean won, so I'm guessing it'll be around $90 US. Let's check out the shoes. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you can see more of the upcoming videos like this one. So they used the regular box for this one. This is what I got. It's supposed to say cap, but I don't know why it just got cut off. It's only saying reissue cap, but the size I got is US 9. This shoe was introduced also as an inside-out pack, so you can see those works here and there throughout the shoes. On the heel, for example, the suede cover is just hanging there, like someone just forgot to glue it or something. The eye stays, you can see they only put 3 metal pieces each side, and the rest are just holes. If someone asked me what my favorite part of the shoe was, they might guess that it's the zipper. But no, I think my favorite part is this skateboard logo that's normally on the bottom of the heel, because this suede patchwork is going down to the bottom of the shoe, covering the sole. They just relocated it to a side of the shoes. Like, oh shit, guys, we forgot about the logo. Just put it right there. At least we put it in. The zipper obviously makes it easy to put these shoes on and off, but I have to say it's disappointing they got rid of the off-the-wall printing in quotation marks this time. Let's see how much edit height this one's gonna give me. It's a vulcanized shoe, so I'm not expecting that much. All right. Gives me 1.5 centimeters. Now I'll show you guys how they look on feet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you all next time.